And good morning again. This is meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update for Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. Oof, how much can you fit into a sentence? This one we will call Zig when you should have zated. And we'll get to that momentarily. I want to get a little closer to home and see what's happening around these parts. So, we have a upper level low restructuring over New Mexico this morning with mid-level redevelopment underway over Oklahoma, Texas, and Louisiana. Tropical cyclone infusion is on deck. We'll talk about that in a minute. There'll be a quick transition or incorporation into a winter mid-latitude storm system as the de facto child surface low, and we'll have a T-bone structure forming, and we'll pull out to show that. I want to jump here actually, and a front's going to clear New England, the coast, west to east tracking along the boundaries, slowly slagging southward. I'm going to give a better representation of that here. Friday's precipitation type line clues us in to present maybe a thermal footprint. So southern New York, northeast Pennsylvania, through New England could see an area of snow. And I think that the temperatures here on our 09 guidance, this is for Friday, shows the tail of what precip you're likely seeing. So I'd say New York to maybe Dutchess County, you're looking at primarily a rain event. And you get some mixing as you head into Ulster and on north, and same as you go on east. So things to keep an eye on. Interesting day in store on Friday for just picking some random places now. Windham, Connecticut. The precipitation type mean from the SREF is a rain to mixed, mostly snow for a spell early in the afternoon. So I think a lot of areas, although you won't see a lot of accumulation, we'll see some snow, gravitating onto wet surfaces, grassy surfaces, but sidewalks, those sort of things, they shouldn't accumulate too much there. Maybe an inch, depending on when that changeover happens and where that cold air filters in, but it's still early for that. So here is the cone for the path of Zeta. We're expecting it to return to hurricane strength as it quickly approaches the northern Gulf Coast. This storm is expected to make landfall in southeast Louisiana later today as a Category 2, winds around 100 miles per hour before moving across Alabama tonight into Thursday. Phone's always ringing here. Apologies. It'll be moving across Alabama tonight and early Thursday. I'll look into some longer range stuff. Why not, right? Getting to that time. It's a very positive AO regime. Signals are starting to emerge on a global ensemble data for another period of high latitude blocking in mid-November. This blocking actually originates in the Kara Sea region on the most recent output and affects the AO domain by mid-month. The early suggestion is that this episode will have a Pacific flavor. Most ensemble guidance brings a large ridge into the Pacific region by the 15th of November. And if this occurs, the window for another shot of cold air into the western north hemisphere would once again be wide open. Look at that. So we saw some snows into Texas even a couple nights ago, and it may be possible to see that again. Anyway, we're hitting 5 minutes. I'm going to run. I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your storm scoop from Weather Briefing. Have a great day.